Hey, welcome back, you guys. Sean and Alice here, Bay Real Experts, Coldwell Banker Realty in Panama City Beach, Florida. And we're at Edgewater Golf Villas, to be specific, unit number 2010.
So this listing is provided by Matthew Joe Jones with Coastal Heritage Real Estate. Thank you, Matthew, for allowing us to do a video of your unit. It is a great view to the golf course. Because of course, if you have a unit here, you can golf all day, every day for free.
Free is a relative word. It is your membership is included as part of your HOAs.
Right.
All right. And so you have a service driveway just before the fence line there, and then you have commercial property just beyond the trees there. So you have great breakfast joint over there. And some other various services.
Oh, yeah.
Alice, when we get inside, can you read off the specifics of the square footage and what we're dealing with here? I'm going to give you guys a tour of the inside starting from the back now. So here you have the living room, and this is a floor-to-ceiling window here.
It is a 1-bedroom, 2 bathrooms. And it's 853 square feet. Love it. No carpet. This is a LVP flooring throughout the unit. The kitchen and hallway and bathroom had tile, original tile.
So that sliding door looks like it has a little bit of moisture between the panes.
The unit is currently rented right now, so it's, bear with us.
Yeah, it's got somebody's personal things in here.
Right.
Into the bedroom. You have a slider that goes out to the balcony where we started the video.
Cute barn doors. Can close the bathroom.
Transition to tile.
They haven't quite updated the bathroom, but I like how they did this. The mirror in here, original bathtub and toilet.
This owner's closet is locked, so I cannot open that. So we have a pocket door there for the closet, and then here's a better view of the tub.
Not all units have a door in there.
Yeah, if I miss any other pantries or anything, please help me remember to grab those. Here's your electrical panel, Siemens brand.
The AC is 2018, I saw that.
And into the kitchen. Looks like, standard wear and tear from water dripping down the front of the cabinet. Looks like you got a pop tile here, a cracked tile.
Yeah, the cabinets are original. They just painted over and put a handle on it. You have granite countertops and your washer and dryer's over there in the corner. Hey, all stainless steel appliances as well. I like the light fixtures. Nice.
And then pantry. One more bathroom here. Behind the door of the shower. And then one more. Got a coat closet here. Right as you walk in the front door.
And I want to say I like how they have the beadboard all along here.
I'm sorry, can you say that again? You like what?
I like the beadboard that they have over here along the hallway and the breakfast bar over here.
Oh, okay. Yeah, sorry we don't have our wireless microphones today, you guys. So Alice is probably looking at me like,
they can hear me.
you know what? Let's settle this. Leave it in the comments below if you could hear.
Did you hear me to start with? So I
Yeah.
had to repeat it.
Okay. That's how we'll know you made it to the end of this video. Thanks for watching, you guys. This is Gulf Villas 2010 in Edgewater, and we're walking out the front door right now. Here's your stairs down to the parking lot. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and we will catch you guys on the next one. Bye for now.